Your life could drastically change if you watch this video until the end. Discover how to start earning passive income by creating and uploading AI-generated music. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to make your own songs and get paid every time someone streams them. No music skills required. So there are 4 steps to this video. Step 1 is to create music with AI, and I'm going to fill you in on the #1 AI music program. Step 2, we're going to create a cover and a brand, and you're not going to want to miss this step. Step 3, you're going to upload and distribute, and I'm going to provide a free option and a premium option. In step 4, you're going to learn how to multiply and promote, create full albums at lightning speed, and I'm going to give you tips on how to promote your music and increase your passive income. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe as we find the best free or highly discounted AI generation programs, because my goodness, we know how expensive things can get as content creators. So did you know that you can make money every time someone listens to a song, even if you don't know how to play an instrument? In this video, I'm gonna show you how I make passive income by uploading AI generated music to Spotify, Amazon, Apple Music, and all the other big platforms. And you can even do it for free. People are making thousands of dollars every month with simple, relaxing music. And now, thanks to AI, anyone can do it. And I'm going to show you exactly how to start that from scratch. Let's get started. All right, on to step 1. Step 1 is to create our song using Suno AI. So head over to Suno, and with Suno, you can create custom songs. Let me show you real quick how this works, and then we'll go ahead and start creating our music. But custom is you can enter lyrics and then enter a title and then create songs with lyrics in any style you want, which is really awesome. You can have Suno do it, or you can copy and paste your own lyrics. I'm a songwriter, so I copy and paste my own lyrics, but I've also used ChatGPT's lyrics, which is pretty interesting and fun to do. So anyway, so we're not going to use a custom. All we're going to do is we are going to, make sure you toggle on instrumental, and I'm going to copy and paste the prompt that I received from ChatGPT. And these are high performing keywords, so we are going to go ahead and let Suno AI work its magic. All right, and we're done with this. Okay, this first one, it's only 4 seconds. I don't know why it's 4 seconds, but let's play the second one. This first one didn't work. And with every generation, Suno AI creates 2 songs. So for every 1 generation, it creates 2 songs. It only gave me 13 seconds. I have to create it again. Okay, here we go. That's pretty chill. Okay, let's check out this other one. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, I'm going to stop that. And if you're not happy with it, or if you just want to create more songs, and what I would suggest is creating an album's worth of songs, so between 6 and 10 songs that you want to generate for that album. So I'm going to go ahead and just generate it again. And I'm using the same keywords too, the same prompt. No need to get that fancy. Once you find a prompt that you like, you can continue using it, and Suno AI will generate different music. And if you guys want me to do a full tutorial of Suno AI, just leave a comment below and I'll go ahead and do that for you. Okay, pretty good. That's definitely It's pretty good. Definitely relaxing. Okay. So again, with Suno AI, whatever you can imagine, whatever type of music you can imagine, Suno AI can create it for you. It's pretty outstanding. But for our purposes today, we are done with this portion with step 1, and we need to go to step 2, which is create a cover, right? Create an album cover and kind of brand what we're doing, right? So we have to come up with kind of a name of this album. So let's head over to, actually, I need to download these. So let's see, this one. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and click these little 3 dots, right? You see that right there? I'm going to go ahead and download the MP3. And you can also download an MP4. It creates an MP4 also. You can upload those to YouTube as well, or whatever social media platform you guys like to use. So let's go ahead and download that. And then we're going to go ahead and download this one. And now it's time to head over to Canva to start branding our album. All right, step 2, we are in Canva and we need to create a cover and a brand. Right here on the top left, create a design and album cover, click on that. Oh, that's kind of cool. So I'm just clicking on design right now. If you see this, design. And chill. Let's just type in a couple keywords and see what happens. Chill, chill, chill. Oh, these are cool. Oh, I like this one. Oh, I really like that one. That's nice. Okay. All right. So the top, you're going to type in your name, whatever. Okay. So we'll leave it as Avery Davis. And then we need to name this. So what are we going to name our album here? So let's name it Midnight Chill Beats. Now, these are suggestions that I received from ChatGPT. Again, use ChatGPT if you're not really sure what you're doing or what you want to do. ChatGPT can help with that. Midnight Chill Beats. And this is the cover that we are going to upload to our third-party platform, which is going to distribute the album to all of the other music platforms like Amazon and Apple and Spotify and Pandora. So it's important that we make this image, the album image, awesome. So spend a little bit of time on this. I'm not going to spend too much time because I'm just giving you an example of what to do. For our purposes, we are finished with this. You can add other stuff too. Let me just add like see if I can find like a city background. And let me grab this one. And this feature in Canva is pretty awesome. It's a background remover, and I'm going to try to remove the sky. Oh, I like that city much better. Well done, Canva. Well done. And I'm going to pop this behind our logo. And we are done. That looks pretty good. And no, my name's not Avery Davis, but I'm going to leave that there. Okay, on the top right, I'm going to share. I'm going to download as a PNG, no, actually JPEG. And I'm going to make it 2400 by 2400. And I'm going to download this image, and it's good to go. All right, so that's done. So you have your music. Okay, you have your 6 to 10 songs from Suno AI. You have your album cover. So let's go ahead and distribute our songs. So you have a couple options here. You can go the free route. You're going to head over to Root Note, and they have a free option here. So if you go to Root Note here, your Root Note free, it's $0 for free distribution to the world's favorite music services. No hidden costs. Start your music journey now. And you can get started, and you keep 85%, which means they keep, that's right, they keep 15%. Now, if you pay $10, you can upgrade this, and you keep 100%, and you have unlimited uploads. And yeah, so it's not bad if you want to go free. Now, I subscribe to a program called TuneCore. I have 7 or 8 albums up here right now. I have my own albums on here, but I also am distributing AI music, and I have a YouTube channel for that. But anyway, I use the professional version, so I pay $50 per year. No, I'm not an affiliate of any of these programs. Guys, do what you want to do with this, but I just feel like there's better value with TuneCore. I have a little bit more control, and I make 100% of my profits with TuneCore. So over here, it just kind of breaks it down. 100% revenue from digital stores. Boom. Done. Once you upload your tracks to TuneCore, you will have your songs distributed to, I think it's like 200 different platforms, and the big boys are all included on that. All right. So anyway, so that is step 3. Step 3 is done. Now step 4 is you want to multiply and promote. The more songs that you upload, the better. You want to make themed albums like study music, sleep music, and chill beats, and promote your tracks on your YouTube channels. You want to share on your TikTok and your Instagram, and you want to submit to playlist curators. So listen up, if you want me to make a full tutorial on how to use Suno and how to use Canva and how to upload to TuneCore or RootNote, just leave a comment below and I will do that for you guys. There is a lot of money to be made. So ladies and gentlemen, even if you have no talent at all, no music skills at all, you can make money selling your own original music by using AI. So go ahead, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button below and leave a comment if you want me to make those other demonstrations, tutorials, and I will see you all on the next video.